Namaste, dear children. In previous day, I taught you the story regarding Sinbad the sailor, who was Sinbad and from where he was, and what he was doing with his friends, and what happened to him one day, and how he tied turban to himself with meat chunks by seeing that what happened, and how the bird took him to the nest, and what he saw in the nest. All this I explained in previous day. Today we continue the lesson. Before that, put today's date, dear children. Sinbad hid. Hid means hide. Close to the nest for some hours. Then Sinbad noticed some of the men who were throwing the meat chunks were coming towards the nest. They scared means they frightened the bird away and started picking the diamonds from the nest. When Sinbad approached them, they were surprised to see him. They asked, "Who are you and what are you doing?" "You mean Sinbad doing there?" asked one of them. Sinbad told them how he had come there. After listening to Sinbad's story, they told Sinbad that they were traders and that their ship was at the other end of the island. They also told Sinbad that they often means sometimes come to the island after hearing about its riches. Because the island was very rich, but it is covered with diamonds, so they used to often visit that island. The old man told to Sinbad. The traders allowed Sinbad to take some diamonds. Then they took Sinbad on their ship and set sail at the nearest port. Sinbad exchanged some of the diamonds for some goods. From there, Sinbad finally went back to Baghdad. He lived happily with the riches he had gained. Means, I hope all of you understood till here. Read this 3 times. And glossary means difficult words meaning. Approached means came near. Traders means people who buy and sell things. Port means a place where ships load and unload goods. Exchanged, to take something by giving something in return. Gained means got. Anatomies means opposite words. Surprised, disappointed. Allowed, disallowed. Went, came. And even they asked some questions. How did the traders learn about the diamond on the island? While reading the lesson, children, please find out the answer for this. Now I am giving the exercise work. Here they had given different words with same meaning. You have to match the different words of same meaning. I had done this. You have to copy this in your classwork along with true or false and match the following. All things I done, you have to only read and understand and write neatly in your classwork and homework book one time, dear children. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.